Hello students, a very good morning. Let us start today's session, chapter 6 fractions, continuation. The topic which we are going to see today is equivalent fractions. In last session, we learned three types of fractions, that is proper, improper and mixed fraction. Now the another type of fraction is equivalent fractions. What do you mean by equivalent fractions, students? Equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. There are fractions that name the same amount or part. Then we call those fractions are equivalent fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, etc. are all equivalent fractions. How we can say these fractions are equivalent fractions? Let us see one example to understand in better way. See the first figure, students. One circle is divided into two parts, but one part is shaded. So we can say this is a 1 by 2 of fraction. Then see the second figure. A circle is divided into 4 parts. 2 parts are shaded. So we can say the fraction is 2 by 4. See the third figure. One circle is divided into 6 parts. 3 parts are shaded. So we can say it is the fraction of 3 by 6. And last figure, circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of it, 4 parts are shaded. So we can say it's a fraction of 4 by 8. What is the relation is connected these fractions, students? See, out of these 4 fractions, that is 4 figures, all the figures are shaded of that circle. Do you understand what I am saying, students? See, the first figure is the off part of the circle. When you take the second figure, it is also the 4 equal parts, but 2 parts are shaded. So it is a off of the circle. Then see the third figure. Out of 6 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So it's a off of that off parts are shaded. See the fourth figure. The 8 parts, out of that 4 parts are shaded. So this all figures or off parts are shaded. So we can say these fractions are equivalent fraction. Yes. And moreover, if you cancel this number, if you cancel this fraction, that is 2 by 4, we will get the value of 1 by 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. And cancel 3 by 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. Cancel 4 by 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. At last, we will get the answer of off parts of circle are shaded. So we can say these fractions are equivalent fractions. Though the numbers may look different, but we are getting the same value. Is it clear, students? Yes. Next, equivalent fractions are the fractions that have different numerator and denominator, but it are all equal to the same value. See the figure, students. We can say 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Because if you cancel the 2 by 4, you will get the value of that is 1 by 2 only. And another reason is, first figure, the off part are shaded. And in the second figure also, off parts are shaded. So both are equal only. Yes. Then, how to obtain this equivalent fraction? How to do this equivalent fraction, or how to find out this equivalent fraction? The main thing is we have to multiply both numerator and the denominator with the same number. Then we'll get the equivalent fractions. See, not only the multiplication and also a division. See the example 6.5 to understand in better way. find a fraction equivalent to 8 by 20 with denominator 5. We are going to find out equivalent fraction of 8 by 20, but we have to get the denominator 5. Let us see the solution. 8 by 20 is equal to, we have to get the denominator 5. Then what is divided with 20? We will get 5. We know 4 5s are 20. So the 20 is divided with 4 only. We will get 5. The same 4 has to be divided in the numerator. So 8 divided by 4, we will get 2. So we can say 2 by 5 is equivalent to the fraction of 8 by 20. Is it clear? Next, exercise problem, exercise 6.2. Write the suitable number in the box. 1 by 2 is equal to, denominator 8 they have given, and we are going to find out the numerator. Answer, 1 by 2. What is multiplied with 2? We will get 8. 4. That 4, the same 4 has to multiply with the numerator because it is an equivalent fraction. I told you, right, both numerator and the denominator has to multiply with the same number. So we can say 1 into 4s are 4 and 2 into 4s are 8. So the fraction is 4 by 8. Next, 1 by 3 is equal to 7. We have to find out the denominator. See, the answer, 1 by 3 into that equivalent fraction is equal to 7. Then what is multiplied with 1? We will get 7. As we know, any number is multiplied with 1, we will get same number. So 7 is multiplied with 1 only, we will get 7. That same 7 has to multiply with 3. So 3 7s are 21. Answer is 7 by 21. Next, 5 by 15 is equal to, one blank box, in the denominator 3. Students, by seeing the problem itself, we must know whether that is we want to do multiply with the equivalent fraction or dividing with the equivalent fraction. Here 3 is given, 15 is given. Then what is divided with 15? We will get 3. As we know, 3 5s are 15. So the 5 has to divided with, 15 has to divided with 5 only. 5 has to divided with 15 only, we will get 3. So the same 5 on the top we have to divide. So we will get the answer of 1 by 3. See in the right hand side, I did the division part. Yes, 5 1s are 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 3s are 15, 15 minus 15 is 0. Is it clear, students? Next problem. 14 by 26 is equal to, one blank box. In the down, 13. What is divided with 26? We will get 13. As we know, 13 2s are 26. Students, you know the division fact, right? What is divided with the number? That number, if you multiply, means you will get that product, right? So see, what is divided with 26? We will get 13, 2. When you multiply 13 into 2, we will get 26. Yes? So the same 2 has to be divided with numerator 14. We will get the answer of 7 by 13. Next, find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. See, they have given one set of fractions. We have to find out the denominator 18. That is, what number is multiplied with the denominator? We will get 18, that we have to find out. Let us take the first fraction, 1 by 2. So what number is multiplied with 2? We will get 18. In the 2 tables, as we know, 2 9s are 18. So that same 9 has to multiply on the with the numerator. So 1 into 9s are 9 and 2 into 9s are 18. So the fraction is 9 by 18. Sorry, the equivalent fraction is 9 by 18. Then take the second fraction, 2 by 3. What is multiplied with 3? We will get 18 in the 3 tables. As we know, 3 6 are 18. The same 6 is multiplied with the numerator. So we will get the answer of 2 into 6 are 12 and 3 into 6 are 18. Answer is 12 by 18. Yes? Then take the third fraction, 4 by 6. What is multiply with 6? We will get 18 in 6 tables. 6 3s are 18. Multiply the 3 with the numerator. So 4 into 3s are 12 and 6 into 3s are 18. Answer is 12 by 18. Then fourth fraction 2 by 9. So what is multiply with 9? We will get 18 2. The same 2 has to be multiplied with the numerator. So 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18. So the answer is 4 by 18. Next, 7 by 9 is equal to, as we know that 2 is multiplied with 9 only, we will get 18. Multiply the 2 with the numerator. So 14 by 18. The same 5 by 3. 3 is multiplied with 6. The same 6 is multiplied with the numerator. So we can say 5 into 6 are 30 and 3 into 6 are 18. So the fraction is 30 by 18. Is it clear, students, this problem? Next, third problem.
Find an equivalent fraction.
With denominator 5 for each of the following fractions. Take 6 by 15. Now we are going to find out the denominator 5. So what is divided with 15? We will get 5. As we know, 3 into 5s are 15. So 3 has to be divided with 15. The same 3 has to be divided with numerator. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. So the answer is 2 by 5. Then 10 by 25. So what is divided with 25? We will get 5. We know 5 into 5s are 25 is a division fact. So 25 is divided with 5. The same 5, the 10 is divided with 5. So we will get the answer of 2 by 5. Next fraction, 12 by 30. What is divided with 30? We will get 5, 6. The same 6 has to be divided with 12. So the answer is 2 by 5. Then fourth fraction is 6 by 10. What is divided with 10? We will get 5, 2. The same 2 has to be divided with 6. So we will get 3 by 5. The last fraction, 21 by 35. What is divided with 35? We will get 5. As we know, 7 into 5s are 35. So the same 7 has to be divided with 21. So we will get the fraction of 3 by 5. Next one is like fraction and unlike fraction. What do you mean by like fraction, students? Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 5 and 4 by 5, 3 by 5. The denominators must be same. If the denominators are different, then we can say those fractions are unlike fraction. See, fractions with different denominators are called unlike fraction. See the example, 1 by 7, 2 by 9 and 9 by 11. Okay, students, based on this like and unlike fractions, the problems that we will see in the next session. Yes, students, today's session, hope you understand the equivalent fractions and like fractions and unlike fractions based on this problem that we will see in the next session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.